In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get DriveZone Online Mod Menu, completely free, and it's working on both iOS and Android. As you can see on your screen, this will give you all the hacks in the game, as well as unlimited money for both iOS and Android. I have a bunch of options right here, such as God Mode, unlimited money, all cars unlocked, all maps and routes unlocked, and much more. First of all, you need to make sure that your DriveZone online game is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for the game. If not, then you are good to go. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get DriveZone Online++. So, just head over to the pinned comments. Leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.